Hey, it's your girl Zoe, aka Melanated Beauty, back with you guys again with another video. And today I'll be trying out the Kiara Sky system. So I bought all of this stuff from Amazon. Actually, I'm picking out my nails first for the sizes that I have. And you guys, I pick out my nails super quick and easy these days because I literally made a note of all of the tips and full coverage nails that I have and what sizes that I need. And usually they're all about the same, but I, do an estimate or whatever, because I have so many different nail tips and full coverage nails. So, all right, the first step that you do is go ahead and roughen up the inside of that Kiara Sky full coverage nail. And actually right here where I was filing at, actually it has like the Kiara Sky symbol on it, which I found to be very interesting. So yeah, again, you do this part to make sure that the product adheres to the nail. I had to go in and change my nail bit because I didn't think it was like roughing it up enough for me. And actually, the bottom of the nail here, the nail bed, is actually quite softer than the rest of the nail, which I found to be very interesting, but I guess it works. So this is the first step that you do. And I was making sure also that the Kiara Sky symbol was filed really good off of there. So then you go in with your nail file and you file your nail bed gently. You can use a hand file or you can use the e-file like I was using for the press-ons. And their system, it comes with a 4-step process. I believe it's 4 or 3. I think it's 4. So they have the primer and dehydrator, but I have my own, so I did not purchase that. So you do the primer and dehydrator. You're prepping your nails as though you were doing a full set, guys. Okay? So like I'm just showing you guys the difference in how the bottom is so flexible and the top of the nail is actually harder. I thought that was really cool. And you guys have seen me use this product before. So step 3, you go in and you apply this to your nails like you're polishing your nails. And this is to make sure that the nails adhere to your real nails, okay? This is like doing your base coat and your poly gel. It's extremely similar to that. I've heard some ladies say that they went in after curing this for 30 seconds, say that they went in with a second coat of that. But I'm not going to do that this time. So then your next step is you just take some of that step 3, apply it to your nail, the fake nail, and then gently push that fake nail onto your nail. You want to make sure there are no air bubbles, and you cure that for 60 seconds. So I was struggling just a little bit here because of the way my nail lamp is. So I did pretty good though with this first one. Like it's on there. It's definitely on there. So with the Kiara Sky system, their full package is almost like $100, and theirs comes with a different nail lamp. Because, like I said, when you use a regular one like this, you kind of struggle a little bit because it's like you need your other hand for this. It's not that easy to do. But I think I found a little trick that I didn't use here. And I will actually try that trick next time and see if it works. And yeah, I might do a video on that for you guys. But you take that process and do it for all of your nails, okay? So we already etched and filed our nails. You apply some primer and dehydrator. Then you go in with step 3, apply that to your real nails, cure that for 30 seconds. And then you start applying that step 3 onto the base of your Kiara Sky nails. And y'all, very simple. Boom. Okay? But like I said, you want to make sure you guys don't have any air bubbles in there. I had a few air bubbles. And also, once you get your nails on, go in and take your hand file and get that little file your tip, because it does have that little rough end on it. And I go in and I file mine with my sides, because I don't want my sides super sharp, because I don't want to be scratching up myself or my babies. And then you go in with your nail buffer here and you take the shine off of those nails so that whatever polish you're going to be using could adhere to your nails even better. So I thought they came out like really, really good. It was super easy or whatever, but being that, I used my nail lamp that I was and didn't use the lamp that they had. Well, I didn't order that one. I had some of that step 3 on my nails. So I'm going in with my e-file and cleaning up around my cuticle area. And that's where I think my trick that I've seen people do might come in handy, where I would be able to clean that up before I cured it. So I'm going in with my Beetles Bubblegum Pink polish. Y'all already know this is like my favorite brand of nail polish because it cures super easy. Their top coat is a no wipe and it's just like very smooth. So that is like super, 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 super easy to do, you guys. But yeah, so go ahead and watch me do my nails. Alright guys, so this is honestly day 2 that I've had my nails on and they're not lifting or anything like that. I'm just going ahead and doing my design because I did want to show you guys the design that I was doing. And yeah, but it's a quick and easy design, but just as doing the rhinestones, it can be very, very tedious. But I don't know. It might be a little bit quicker than doing that. But like I said, this is the second day of me wearing them. They're not lifting or anything like that. My thumbnail that I have here, it's kind of naked or whatever because I decided to go in and take off that polish because it did not cure correctly. I had bubbles in there for some odd reason, and when you have those bubbles in your gel nail polish, it doesn't always cure correctly, and it didn't here. So I had to go ahead and take that pink off. So you guys see me using my acrylic paint pens or whatever, and these are actually very convenient. I honestly wish they did have like a finer point, because if they did, then I would have been able to do the whole style probably with the actual like acrylic paint pen. So again, let me mention my thumb to you guys. My thumbnail is now gone because I used my gel polish nail remover stuff, and it made it so flimsy, guys. I cannot continue to use it, so I had to get me another one that I will be putting on at the end of this video. Like, I did not expect for it to do what it did, but this is the final look of this hand. My other hand was not looking right, so I didn't do it. So the top of these nails, they have the numbers on them, 1 2 3 4 5, blah blah blah. And I realized that for some reason it tends to catch a lot of dust in there, and I really wasn't feeling that part there. So I'm gonna file that off next time I decide to do this. And then I also noticed that towards the tip, it is a little bit softer. You can kind of like push them in a little bit to bend them, which I found to be very interesting. I didn't like that part very, very much. But I guess your real nails kind of do that, but I wasn't expecting these to do that. And I think maybe if you apply more gel polish and more top coat, then maybe they wouldn't be as flimsy. But so definitely comment down below your thoughts on these nails and how this set came out, and definitely subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Melanated Beauty, and stay tuned for next week's video because it will be another nail video and I'll be trying out something different.